if you're like me and you don't like getting stuck in cobwebs like this, then stick around for later. I've got just the thing for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Terraria video, and I'm here to show you how to make a very useful potion in Terraria. That, my friends, would be a danger sense potion. It will allow you to see pressure plates and cobwebs. I'll demonstrate that later in the video. Stick around. So let's crack on with this tutorial. You will need 1 bottled water, 1 silverthorn, and 10 cobwebs. To get a bottled water, you will need 1 glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in any amount of water and craft bottled water in the potions section. You can also find bottled water, I think. To get silverthorn, you will need to go to the ice biome and find it growing on the snow, and swing your sword over it like a maniac and destroy it and pick it up. To get cobwebs, you will need to swing your sword like a maniac again and find it in caves, or better yet, where they will regrow in a spider nest. That's an amazing place for cobwebs spawning. As you can see, Danger Sense Potion is consumable, allows you to see nearby traps, and has a 10-minute duration. You craft it on an alchemy station. To get an alchemy station, you place an empty bottle on a workbench. So, let's craft this thing. As you can see, I got the potion. And I'm going to zoom in on those pressure plates, and they will start glowing when I drink the potion. As you can see, I don't have them hooked up to anything, but that's not quite the point. And also, this little cave that I artificially made and filled with cobwebs has glows when you see it with the Danger Sense Potion too. Really neat too. Looks cool. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out.